Anton Bleed, right wing side, getting around an official and back to the hash marks. Hammers it into the corner. Cave spinning around, almost running out of space. Shoots one through the crease. Ends up on the near side. Knowles pass backward, picked off, and up along the boards. Pelly back to the point. Shot blocked and never got on target. Retrieved on the far side by Belmore. He tries to get it out, but it's blocked. His second effort gets it in front of the Providence bench. Colby Cave ahead to Bleed. 2-on-1 with Ashari. Bleed far side, near side. Ashari had it escape his stick. He should have had that one. The Bruins and the Devils are scoreless with 8.5 minutes left in the first period at the Dunk. It's the first game of the season series and the only game this month between the teams. On the near side, Rister, and it trickles in on the near side. Blandisi snapped one off inside the left elbow of McIntyre. He thought he had it pinned to his hip, and instead it's in the back of the cage for a 1-0 Albany Devils lead. He goes cross ice. Youds with it at the half wall. 15 seconds left on the penalty. Bruins still in the zone. Along the boards, Phillips back to the line for Cross. Tommy Cross to the left point for Phillips. Zach in the circle, stripped, gets it back. Rister just wide off the cage. Then a shot on the far side for Sexton is blocked. Ends up behind the net, and 3 seconds remain, but another penalty coming up with 5:17 to go in the first. Albany the only goal tonight in the first game of the season series. At the left point, Burlon, near side slapper, save made, and McIntyre holds on the near side of the ice, so the logo is upright. For those of you watching on AHL, you actually have a better view of it than I do. In the near circle, it's won by the Devils back out to the line. Helgeson, top of the slot, passes toward the far side. Devils controlling pass through the circle, tipped in front, shot, and gets in to give the Devils a 2-0 lead. Smooth move by Pietila in front, created some space, had a first shot off a skate, buried the rebound, and doubled the Devils' lead halfway through the Bruins' penalty kill. Going far side, sent off the banister, off the stick and out of the zone, but not controlled by LeBlanc. Back in the offensive end, the Devils shot, and a save by McIntyre, hacked off the wall by Belmore. DeFazio back to it, Bruins getting a partial change. In the corner, dragged out toward the trapezoid. Arneson getting a chip at it to knock it wide. On the far doorstep, swept away. That's all in the left wing circle. One to the edge of the circle off the stick of Mosick as the Devils hold it in. Mosick at the left point, fakes the slapper, puts the top of the slot for Burlon. Far side, one-timer and in. The Devils score 10 seconds into a man advantage. Albany a perfect 2 for 2 thus far on the contest. And the Bruins are down by 3. Along with Kujawinski. His pass into the corner blocked. Over to challenge is Helgeson. Charnock still with it though at the hash marks. Top of the slot for Belmore. Rister in front and gets it in. Denis is screened and the Bruins have finally solved him to get on the board. 3-1 Albany is the score here in the second with 2:16 remaining in the frame. Punched at by Bleed. Retrieved by Belmore in the far corner. He'll sling it to the other end of the zone, or the ice rather, and that comes right at the end of the penalty. Cave streaks straight to the bench from the other side of the ice. And the Devils will carry it back into the neutral zone now at even strength. Launched in on the right wing side, backhander save, rebound shot, and gets in past McIntyre. Boucher has his second as McIntyre made the initial stop, knocked off the boards, and loses it in the corner. Almost cleared, glove down by Irwin. Matt walking the line, gets it back toward the left point. Charnock back to Irwin, fakes a slapper, puts in the far circle. Instead, slapper, pad save, rebound, tipped in. The Bruins are back within 2 again, this time on the man advantage in the early minutes of the third period. Get over the red line, Irwin hacks it on target, but it's too little too late. And the Devils walk away 4-2 winners tonight at the Dunk.